Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Edward in Georgia on his Connex Saturn CX-33 SSB. Ed, we got this thing ready to go for you. Brand new unit right out of the box. Truck rise, full alignment. I'll show you what we got. RF power all the way down. As usual, 5-watt slug. Half a watt carrier. At 5.5 watts all the way up. Spin it back down. 100-watt slug. I'll show you average power here. Hello. 18 watts of average power. I'm gonna go to the peak side. Low. About 47 watts. Alright, Edward, it's ready to come to you, my friend. Hope you enjoy this new radio. From your friend Truck CB Sales at gmail.com. Bump bump.